But enyoma bi wo hono mu a they are so sensitive. The end product no ade ebekwa akofa ba no enya adepa. So you don't tread on those dangerous grounds. Stupid. What crest is it? The coat of arms, or if you have your personal crest, like Otunfo has the
your personal crest. Your personal crest.
Has he gone to tell Otunfo that nonsense?
That's what he's saying from
Accra. Nonsense, natural Otunfo. You see, when we say that NDC has an agenda, right? They have an agenda and they are treading on dangerous grounds. So omunyansa and you see, I'm surprised to say omo yo ho te senia omo asofo na ben wom, but wisdom na ewo Bible mu na yedi bu oman no yedi ye nyoma no sa asofo no entimi mom sa wisdom no mo fa nye nyoma omo di ye and omo set it off on a path to destruction and omo kwa crash. So and nyoma bi hwe enye se bia amamuo no obi ba washeda na okana no tuma na se obu nanigu enyoma bi so, but enyoma bi wo hono mu a they are so sensitive. The end product no ade ebekwa akofa ba no enya adepa. So you don't tread on those dangerous grounds. Stupid. You don't. How are you going to tell Otunfo say only Asantehene I will say no crest no enfri ni ka ho? Muntaka, wo say we Asantehene.
It's in the constitution. He knows that, right?
What Baba share? Ewo Asantehene mu a ye bisa wo say wo so ya Asantehene na che so ya Asantehene a chinchini apese wo claim say we Asantehene ho na ye wo nana ba no be wo maame na maame no be you don't know anywhere else. How are you going to tell Otunfo say ni crest no only enfri ni ka ho only because some John Dramani Mahama bi obuni who say me say of move offend who supreme leader and all these things no John Mahama is aware because of our cabinet and so normal
of course.
Exactly. And we know where they are coming from. They have
and Muntaka claims that it creates a security risk.
But at the time crest ebobo Otunfo crest ebo na you security risk ben. How does that create a security risk? Tell me. Say Obama.
I see we are car na on to meet Tracy.
That's absolute nonsense. That's absolute nonsense. Talking. Onko nonko kan cho Otunfo say ne crest na ebo ne ka ho no I identify no opie wo baabi a obi ahu so Otunfo ka ani no onkin free ne ka onyin free ne ka ho. And you see sa and this for we say sa nyoma we say a omo ye no nyoma we ya omo ye no eno ene do ombekọ owuo mu a NDC no omo bet ye be ye omo to sa wo kro no so. And you see then I wanted to add say sa wastage we say ya ekoso wo omanu mu a ye hu voice a ye kan waste ya ekoso bebre yi a ye hu efa oko ha o se me koya sorry oko ha o se me ye say wakofa your friend. Do you remember that Nanado at a point in time almost your market ya so 30%?
Yeah.
Only na point is in I don't think they ever restored it. Copy in time free abemu. They didn't.
No.
Now what they are mobile. 30% to NDC MPs no say omo nka ho because they don't care about Ghana. Just like how Bagwin Nana Konfanko o sheche de bia ohun ne oye ne ho a waye ne ho ayi a okotena ayi oti ahinwam e wo parliament ho no onu omu nyina can say omu nye den they will not be part of this.
Yeah.
And Nanado left them and his poor appointees, they had to go through this. Why? For the sake of Ghana. Yeah. We have jurisdictions elsewhere. When you talk, we have clergy, the clergy in other countries, they stand for the people.
Yeah.
Yes, they speak for the people. Their voices are for the people. Voice. Yeah, clergy, no, my voice is here for why no.
But we growing up, we have learnt of the Martin Luther King and co.
Yes. When you, and in other, it's not only there. When
Yeah.
you watch documentaries, when you go to South America, when you go to Asia and this thing,
Even South Africa,
Yes.
the Desmond Tutu and co.
Exactly. Yes. The clergy, religious leaders, they stand for the people. Now, maybe some more. As for any religious leaders are in Ghana, who do you speak for? The congregation who have made you who you are today. Our tithes, our offering, your body, your banchi, your menke, your oil, your tutobremu. Ye deba as a fie, as a fufie, mission house. Emma munya bidi in the name of who they say, wow, who wants to na mo name, ire name, manum, move the bomb and no so trade. What do you speak for? I'm very disappointed. Voice, I've been speaking all morning because if I me stress we are course we need wastage, we are air course no at the expense of the ordinary citizen. Say yeah, mamu free SHS, mume to your fees, muntia look your friend is saying GSS registration fee we ya nema nkola bebre eka kro eka fee.
Over 60,000 every year.
Yes.
I'm not able to register.
Registration fee, GSS level, SS level. And the man crofo kefie. Come up PTA crown po yetimi de pamon crofo. Sadie we ya. Emwa. Eman kolantimi enko mweni mwa brabo. Enu na motis oti wano mo. Ena masan kwa kofaba. Ena makofa papa ne fan. Ena muhu nan doma hama hu ene. So who do you speak for? Who are your voices for? Our CSOs, elders say, wow, sorry, so-called neutrals, clergy, religious, who are you speaking for? Now, have you asked John Mahama, say, the ordinary citizen, ne dia we himfa? Se si ayeka say, nana konfankon asesa ne nkrofo adi na cha koho a omu twa omanum omu bom anusu fedie
rough jacuzzi swimming pool
omu twa omanum. What is there for the ordinary constituents? What is there for them? Yet dear nanka yet dear any free SHS, any health insurance, right?
Maternal care,
that is ours. Yet dear no any say ye betua akolano ni printing fee amano ye betua ni
drone delivery of medication.
No, yes, that is ours. Yet dear nene say ye bema obia when your kidney problem free dialysis. And all these things no wababe say no wabe ye free hono mo. Enti mi bisao asofo no mi bisamo. So asofo bi o platform mi so awo tie mi a ochina ye Sunday. And Sunday I've been monitoring you and some fun ekoso wa Ghana nyina no you are not paying attention to it. Dum so ekoso that is for the ordinary citizen kakro di beton ice water no and no one can ho asem. And you are there in white na mo budget ni so mo de monto aso na say nyankopon ba de bia me kan voice I will say it again and this is the last thing I will say. So mo dream say you are driving our kids back into the streets with no education. So to cut their destinies off. And you think you are going to have peace in that country in the next 10 years to come. In the next 5-10 years to come, they will all come back at you. You will have nowhere to run to because safety will become an issue. Become a big issue in the country.
It's true. Thank you so much, Mami.